Continue.
वेद मंत्र प्रवर्ग्यादि विद्यांगमथवा न तु विद्यासन्निधि पाठेन विद्यांगे मंत्रकर्मणि लिंगेनान्यत्र मंत्राणाम् वाक्येनापि च कर्मणाम् विनियोगात् सन्निधिस्तु बाध्योतो नांगतातयोः
वेद मंत्र प्रवर्ग्यादि कर्म विद्यांगम अथवा नतु विद्या सन्निधि पाठेन विद्यांगे मंत्र कर्मणि तु सेकंड लाइन विनियोगात् सन्निधिस्तु इज दैट तु लिंगेन मंत्राणाम च वाक्येन कर्मणाम अन्यत्र विनियोगात् वाक्येन कर्मणाम अन्यत्र विनियोगात् सन्निधि तु बाध्यः अतः सन्निधि तु बाध्य अतः तयोः अंगता न अतः तयोः अंगता न तयोः अंगता न वेद मंत्र प्रवर्ग्यादि वेद मंत्र means the upasaka, not upasaka, or the karmata, he invokes the upasya devata and he says, kill my enemy and tear asunder his heart, break his skull. So like this he does the prayer, prarthana he does. The mantras are there. So Veda mantra, then pravargyadi karma. Certain pravargya karma, abhichara karma, to destroy or to hurt the enemy. Karma. So the doubt is, say, vidyangam athava natu. Are they anga, auxiliary limb of vidya? Vidya can be a upasana or atma vidya, because some are near atma vidya will be as such. So is it vidyayaha angam athava natu? Pura paksha says vidya sannidhi pathena. He says very powerful linga is that. Linga means evidence, means of proof. So a powerful linga is that. What is that powerful linga? He says vidya sannidhi pathena. They have been told in the proximity of vidya, upasanas or atma vidya. Vidyange mantra karmani. Mantra means which mantra? Veda mantra. Karma means like pravargya karma. They should necessarily be anga, limb of what? Vidya. Siddhanta. Stu, whereas lingena, by some, these two things are there now, mantra and karma. Now we have to find out what is the purpose of mantra, for which we have to try to figure out some means of proof. When we try to figure out some evidence or means of proof, it says lingena mantranam anyatra viniyoga. From certain means of proof or evidences, we find that mantras are employed for some other purpose than the vidya. And again, This mantra and karma should be taken separately. Vakyena karmanam anyatra viniyoga. In the Vayasika, both are clubbed. But by linga, mantras are ascertained as employed at other places than vidya. And vakya. Vakya here means Shruti Vakya. Make a note of Vakya, otherwise you will look up and down afterwards. So you got Vakya. So Vakyena means why Shruti Vakyena, because their very Shruti statements themselves are there, which show that pravarga karma etc. are meant for different purpose than that of vidya, whether Atma Vidya or Upasana. Means what? We have got internal evidences in the Shruti itself. Some lingas which make it clear that this Veda, mantras etc. are meant for a purpose other than the Vidya. Again, Vakya. Shruti statements itself are there which prove that pravarga karma etc. are meant for a purpose other than the Vidya. So how are you going to club together? Okay, they are entirely different topic and serve some different phala. So say the viniyoga because of the application at other places. Now, but sir, I told you Sannidhi is there, proximity. Sannidhi to Badhyaha has to be negated because more powerful evidences are there. Tayoho means mantra karmanoho, of mantra and karma. Angata na. Angata means vidyayaha angata na. It is not the anga of vidya. It is not anga of vidya. Whether upasana or atma vidya. Take sutra. Vedhadyartha Veda. Having cut asunder or like this mantras and other things like pravarga karma, this should not be clubbed with vidya. With vidya, either upasana or this thing. Why this adhyara? This means so Veda mantra and pravarga karma should not be clubbed with who? Upasana. So vidya can be both Atma Vidya and Upasana. Means Gunopasamvara should not be. Why? Sutrakara gives the answer. Vedadyarthana abheda. It should be Shashi Tatpurusha. Vedadyarthana, not abheda, Veda. Veda. Vedadyartha Veda means Vedadi Arthana. So Veda. So Veda means they being for entirely different purpose than that of Upasana or Vidya. Vedadi means having having killed everyone, having cut asunder everything, ityadi. Artha means prayojana. Prayojana, usefulness of Vedadi mantra and pravarga karma is what Vedat means, being for a different purpose than that of Vidya. They are not meant for the purpose of Vidya, either Upasana or Atma Vidya. They are meant for entirely different results, unconnected with what? Vidya and Vidya, whether Upasana or Atma Vidya. Caption: doubt about the mantra and karma told in the proximity of Vidya. Next page, line 6, Mimamsa Mahi.